Don't stretch it out. Don't worry. The whole.
The other one stays.
She's like, what do you, can you burp? No? Mm.